all for the today's English class. Do you know, children, what we are going to do in this session? To enhance your reading and writing skill, today in this session we are going to write a paragraph in cursive and we are going to read a book passage from your textbook Honeydew. Are you ready, children, to read and write? Children, to make you understand and realize the importance of reading and writing, let's see a video to portray it.
Kids learn to read and write best when they learn to read and write together. To read and write together.
I have been looking for you, Bunty, and you are sitting here alone. Oh, sorry, with your friend.
I know you're teasing me, but it's okay. It's just because you don't know the pleasure a book can give.
Hey, you promised to share more about the importance of reading. Tell me, I am waiting.
Reading is vital because it is how we discover new things. We live in an age where we overflow with information, and with reading, we can educate ourselves in any area of life we are interested in. Reading develops imagination. With reading, a person can go anywhere in the world or even out of it. Non-readers can never experience these joys.
Amazing, Bunty. What are the other benefits of reading?
You might be knowing that reading helps in building one's vocabulary. But do you know that through reading, you build a more solid foundation for communication? When you read, you understand more and thus you can communicate better with people. Whereas if you don't read, you can't connect with the world.
Now I can understand how important reading is.
Good, you understood that. And one more thing, many well-paying companies hire people who have good reading and comprehension skills because they believe that they perform well.
Thank you so much, Bunty. You really are a whiz. You have enlightened me.
Children, now you might have understood and realized why reading and writing is very, very important for us. Children, as a new start, our school initiated this step to improve your reading and writing skill. So, children, kindly give your full support and cooperation to us. Surely, it will make a huge changeover in your way of writing and in your fluency in reading. So, dear parents, kindly motivate and insist our ward to improve their handwriting and reading skill. Without your support, it's not possible, dear parents. So, kindly support us to improve our children's reading and writing skill. Children, are you ready for the reading and writing class? Yes. Follow my instruction carefully and do accordingly. Children, first let's start the reading part. Children, are you ready? Shall we start now? Yes.
Children, shall we start today's reading part? So take your textbook, page number 9 from your Honeydew book. Chapter 1, the title of the chapter, The Best Christmas Present in the World. First prose. So in the last video we have read the first page, page number 9. Now let's continue and read page number 10. Look at the first line here. It looked like water damage to me. Both fire and water had clearly taken their toll in this desk. Toll on means damaged. The last drawer was stuck fast. I tired all I could to ease it out gently. In the end, I used brute force. I struck it sharply with the side of my fist, and the drawer flew open to reveal a shallow space underneath a secret drawer. So, children, keep your fingers and follow me, read along with me. There was something in there. It reached in and took out a small black tin box, sellotaped to the top of it was a piece of lined notepaper, and written on it in shaky handwriting, Jim's last letter, received January 25, 1915. To be buried with me when the time comes. So let's continue here. I knew as I did it that it was wrong to me to open the box, but curiosity got the better of my scruples. It usually does. Inside the box there was an envelope. The address read Mrs. Jim Macpherson, 12 Copper Beach, Bridport, Dorset. I took out the letter and unfolded it. It was written in pencil and dated at the top as December 26, 1914. So this was the page that today you have to read, children. So please make use of the opportunity and read and develop your reading skill. Send your reading video also, and also your handwriting part in the teachment. It will be evaluated. The previous one I didn't evaluate. I also evaluate and send it. And I will create a folder in the teachment. Send your reading and writing. Reading can be sent alone in our English group, Ruby's English group, and writing should be sent in teachment. Let's move on to the writing part. Children, now let's see the writing part. So take your handwriting book, sharpen your pencil, take your eraser. So first, the very important thing to write your handwriting, these things are important. Sharpen your pencil with eraser, keep it ready, write the date. So when you write the handwriting, first you must start with the date. So keep it in mind. So write the date, then write neatly as it is given in the lines, in the first lines and the dotted lines. Then you need to write the remaining 2 lines, children. So follow the instruction as it is and do it accordingly. So children, take your handwriting book to write. Let's start our writing part now. So take your handwriting book, follow the instruction and write your handwriting neatly in our handwriting book. So the given lines should be written neatly as it is. Please don't change the line and spacing. The space should be follow as it is given in the dotted lines. So first write the dotted line, then write the remaining lines. It is very important. Write date. Every time when you write handwriting, you must write the date first, then draw lines in between, then write neatly in pencil. Send your assignment through teachment. So let's start right now. Children, this is our today's handwriting part. In this handwriting part, we are going to write the first stroke as tick. Please write neatly. First write today's date on the top. Then you need to write the dotted line first. Then you have to write the remaining lines. Write neatly. Then you need to go for the next page. In the next page you have the curved tick with bend. That should be written neatly in the pencil. Draw lines and write neatly, children. Follow the instruction and do it. So you should write over the dotted line only. The line should not be changed. So how many lines were there in the dotted line, the same line should be written down in the remaining 2 lines. So follow the instruction and write it, children. So children, that's our handwriting part. In today's handwriting part, we have tick and tick curve. So write neatly using pencil with date. Draw lines and maintain your handwriting book neatly. After that, you need to practice this video also. So all the strokes must be practiced and take photocopy, send it to me. Children, after writing your handwriting book, those single slanting line and double slanting line, you have to complete the 2 blocks today. After that, please practice this strokes in your rough note or in the 3 lines notebook. Definitely it will improve your handwriting and also make use of the opportunity to develop your reading and writing skills, children.